I'm in the process of creating a mug and tumbler design, and I went onto Bing and I searched for actually create using the AI for just different items that are kind of under the Valentine's theme. So I'm going to be working the Valentine's dessert, and these are some of the options that came up. So I'm going to focus on those. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on each one. I'm going to transfer it into Canva. I have the pro version of Canva, but I'm going to take you along with me just for a little bit. Okay, so we're going to use this. Take this one. I'm going to drag it over to Canva. Okay. And let's make this bigger. So what I want to do is just grab some elements from Canva. Edit. I'm going to do the magic grab. Okay. Now I want this, but I'm also going to include the stand, the cake stand, display stand. Okay, grab that. And then I'm going to drag it over here. So we'll come back in and edit all that out. Now let's grab this pie. Okay, so there's several elements that will look pretty cool in a design. I'm gonna do it without the serving plate. Okay, so I think this will be pretty cool for a mug, especially because, hey, you're gonna be drinking hot drink, hot cocoa. Or it doesn't matter which one, but this would be cool. So I'm kind of designing it in my head as I go. And I'm wondering, trying to figure out how it would be customized, how it would be customized. Okay, let's grab this cupcake and this one. So I like going for the ones that are fully developed or fully in the picture. So, like, this would have been cool, but it's cut off. And sometimes when you do the photo expand with Canva, it doesn't really look quite right. So we are going to play around without it. Now this would be cool, because you could always put like something else right here to cover this up, or use the Canva erase for it. But I'm not sure in this yet. So we're gonna go ahead and get this. Looks so yummy. And I like this donut. Yes, I know it's cut right here, but I can go ahead and butt it up against something, put it underneath, um, so on and so forth. Okay, let's grab that. Now let's see what we have. We have those. Let's grab the gold spoon because that would be cool to go with this. And with that too. So we'll go grab this spoon right here. I see the strawberry. I might grab that. Now, one thing that I should have done is taken out the background off of the whole picture before I started grabbing stuff. But that's okay. Let's grab this strawberry right here. Okay. And maybe. Oh, wait, hold on. Huh, I thought I saw it. we'll do it again. I might also grab a blueberry, but we'll see. We will see. So interesting how when you grab what it leaves behind, doesn't really make sense. So it's just interesting to see. Okay, let's see what else we can grab. The blueberry. No. There's this. Is this a cookie or a candy? Let's grab that. Like a lollipop or. Okay. So that can go with that. Try to group it to see how many designs I will make. So this. These three. This. I wonder if that is a. Okay, we'll just go with that. Now, I do like these leaves, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Where is it? There it is. Okay, and then I also want to grab this one right here. And then we'll start making a pattern. Oh, okay. It's going to take a while, so we're gonna use a brush, reduce the brush size, zoom in more, and I would just roughly go over it. We're gonna do the background remover. Okay, let's see what that does. Hopefully I don't have to fine tune it too much. Oops, I left a spot right there. Let's see. Okay, I think it grabbed it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And, okay, so now let's do the hard work that I could have. It doesn't look really well. Doesn't look really good. Let's do that. That might disappear completely. No. Okay, just go ahead and remove the background from all of them. And then we'll go back and edit and clean them up as best as we can using Canva. I got rid of that one since we couldn't use the other one. Okay, I think that's done. Okay, so I'm gonna scoot that up. Let's see. I had done this earlier. Okay, let's move that up so we can do the strawberry chocolate flavor, and then create a pattern with it with the gold spoon. We did this one too. Edit, and we're going to do the magic erase. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, I got that one. Magic erase. So that's the one we're working with. I'm going to go in and let's zoom in, and I will decrease the brush size. Let's go closer. Very pixelated. Here. Trying to get as close as I can. Okay. Then I'm going to increase the brush size, zoom out a bit. Ooh, that's too big. Ah! Okay. That's why you don't rush it. You don't rush it. Take your time. Do not do my mistake. Otherwise, you just have to keep on repeating it. Oh, wait. Actually, you know what? It might be. That's because sometimes when you do the erase, it doesn't work as well. So maybe I can do the background. And then that way I can restore if I make any mistakes. Okay. So, zoom in a bit more. That. I'm going to increase the brush size just a little bit. I don't want to get too close to what I want to save. Oops. Okay, now that I've created a safe boundary, I can zoom back out and increase my brush size. I might increase it more. I keep hitting the wrong thing. Now, technically, I don't really need to erase all of this because it's not in the clip. Because when I grabbed it, but to be on the safe side, I'm just going to go ahead and erase it. That way, if I do see some things left over, I won't be guessing. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, see, there's something right there, right in that corner. Let's go back. background remover. And it was in the corner, not in the corner of the whole picture, but somewhere in here. Let's see if we can zoom in. I don't see anything there. Let's just sweep with this all around and make sure not to hit that. Okay. Okay, that's gone. So it doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to layer it. I might layer it. I'm not sure yet. Let's see. I think I see something else, right? Right over here. By those raspberries. Scoot down. Okay. Let's work on that one. So this one, I could use a bigger brush. I guess I didn't really need to use the background remover before I did this. I mean, it would still, when you start editing it like this, removing the background, it would still take out the background. So it's not a waste of time. Okay, now I'm gonna just increase the brush size. Let's see what it looks like if I don't take all of this out. Okay. I was just creating extra work for myself. Let's do this one. Okay. And this one. So now I'm going to layer it. So I have the dimensions for this canvas is 9.4 inches by 8.3. That's a little bit bigger than the 20-ounce tumbler. I like to do a little bit bigger. That way when I get ready to print it out, it's not short. So what we're going to do the, not the expand right here. Oh, here, upscaler. 4 times or 2 times? Because I could have started it gradually. So let's do. I'm going to upscale this. And replace. Okay, that looks cool. Let me show you what it looks like. So I've made a copy. I'm going to do it side by side. And so we're upscaling this one, the one on the right, and the one on the left is going to be the original one. And we'll take a look at the difference. Very pixelated because I made them bigger. Right now I'm at 139% zoomed in. Excuse me. Okay. Replace. I didn't even have a before and after. Okay, so what? I'm not really liking it. Let's see when I zoom back down. So you can tell it's much different. I mean, it's clearer. It's better than the original one. But when you zoom in, I guess that's not too bad. I mean, you can tell that they're fruits only because of the nature of the dessert. And you can see the different berries. Well, the pieces of the berry or the bumps on the berry or however you want to call it. I have to think about that. Now, when I zoom back down, because I'm going to make these smaller, it does look nice. So, let me just make sure I delete the correct one. Okay. Scalar. Let's do, hold up. I'm going to double it, duplicate it, and then we're going to do 2 times and 4 times. Okay, so let's upscale it. Okay, upscale 2 times. Oh, if you noticed, the image right here, it had all the other things that I had not erased. You know, and this is something I could have done before too. I could have just upscaled the whole picture, taken the background off the whole picture, upscaled the whole thing, and then grabbed out what I wanted. Because this was going to be 4 times. Let's zoom in. This is the original. This is upscaled 2 times, and this is upscaled 3 times. Another mistake I made, I should have made copies of these. Now this one's okay. This one, to see what it looked like when it's only upscaled 2 times, as opposed to the 4 times. Okay, replace. Okay, so you can clearly see the difference. This is no scaling at all. This is 2 times, and this is 4 times. I like the 4 times scale. This one is still fuzzy around it. Yes, I have zoomed in to 162%, but I prefer this one. Now, I see something that needs to be deleted right here, a little bit of tweaking and fixing. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, I had not removed the background. Okay, so that took care of those items. Nice, sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna delete these 2. Let's see about this one. Upscale it. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah. That's going to be 2 times, and then we'll do this one 4 times. Now I need to fix right here. Now, trying to think about the design. I do want a background. Something very something very Valentine-y, lovey, pinky, like in that region. So I'll take a look at the backgrounds I can find. Because maybe it was something beige. And I like the dripping, like the frosting at the top. But let's see. Because we could do hearts. See, I did grab some hearts. Go take a look at the hearts. Okay. Focus. So this is clearly better than this one. Let's see how this looks. It's almost done. Okay, replace. I was about to say, wait a minute, it didn't do anything. Oh, okay, that is much better. Okay, I wish it had more detail right here at the, like, because this one looks almost like it's ornate. But we'll take that for now. And what I will do, let's zoom back down. I'm going to look for a gold spoon. Under elements, we'll look for gold spoon. So we have some photos. We have graphics. Let's look at graphics because this is watercolor. So maybe I should do watercolor gold spoons. Golden spoons. Gold spoons. I mean, that one's almost similar to that. I guess I could say ornate. Because I want there to be like a design to make it look kind of not bougie, but look nice. Oh, these are pretty. I'm getting distracted. Yeah. I like the feathers. Ooh, I love the bow. As you can see, I am getting distracted. Ooh, this is pretty. So is this one. Okay, that one looks so natural. This is not bad either. Okay, back to spoons. Back to spoons. Ooh, spoons. Concentrate, girl, concentrate. I doubt adding EN would change things. I guess I want the handle of the spoon to kind of look like it has some engraving or design on it. Like this one, it has this, but it's not. Well, who says it has to be gold? Look at this one. Would someone think it's a spoon if they take a look at it? Let's see. Golden, maybe ice cream. Ice cream spoon. That's getting long. It's getting long. Okay, let's get rid of that. What do we have under photos? Now this one's cool, but I don't want it too picturesque. If that's a word. What about that one? That one's not bad. I mean, it's not what I wanted, but definitely better than this one. So, which one do I like best? I like this one because you can see the different shading. Let's do this. Add some shadow. Drop would be better. Just reduce the distance. Reduce the intensity. So I want it to be subtle. And the angle. No, the light will come from the top. Okay. How's that? I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay, so now let's get ready to arrange this. Wait, hold on. Let's add some shadow. Okay. Just the distance. I think the drop effect is my favorite. Reduce the color around a little bit. Change the angle. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a copy of this so I save my original, and then if I mess any of this up, then I can fix it. Smooth that to the back. Trying to get it proportional and to cover up that spot. Let's move that backwards. And if I go to all that trouble, if you were just going to hide the spoon. Okay, duplicate that. Or I can go to the back. Let's see. Hmm. Not sure if I like that. Let me group this. Holding down the shift key. Grouping those. Let's work on this. All right, duplicate. I'm going to flip it that way. I don't know if that would work. I don't think it will work. Let's try the expanding and see. What? Oh. Okay, hold on. It says I cannot because it was flipped. Let's try this again. Okay, free reign. Do a little bit like that. I don't know if it will work because we got rid of everything else that were in the picture. So yeah, that's not gonna work. That is not going to work. Okay. So we need to figure out what to do. I mean, I could put that there and have this lowered down. Let's duplicate that. I just need this. Okay. The other option is to just do that, decrease the size, and put it in the front. That would mean we have to hide it. You know what? I like it in the back because it's less fiddly. That. Okay. So get those to the side. I guess I would need a table. Like a tabletop. Kind of like this one. This one's not bad, but let's try the dark one. Let's position this to the back. Sometimes I like to make this smaller, like what I'm working on smaller, like this, and then figure out where I want it, and then increase the size. Oh, will this work better? Now this looks more natural, so we'll get rid of this. Okay, I think this can go bigger. Now I need to do the shadows. Okay, hold up. Let's move this out of the way. Oh. Hmm. Does it have to be on a table? What about a tray? I like this. This one's nice too. Let's see. Hmm. Okay. Let's put these back up. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of these. So now we have to remember. I have to remember that this is going to be on a tumbler and a cup. Okay. So let's look for a background. And I like the frosting idea. So let's look for let's just do the obvious. Valentine background first. And then ooh, I love this. Actually, I don't want it. I just want it subtle. So maybe something like this. Can I add a shadow on that one? And make that bigger. Okay. Now I want this more subtly, like subtle. So let's see. That's too busy. What about this one? I'm thinking subtle and I'm wanting to layer them. Group those. And then let's see. Group. Get both of them. Okay, let's see. Frosting. Cream frosting dripping. Now I don't want the sprinkle. That one work? That could work. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Actually, let's do this. A new page, and I'll grab that and this. Okay. Okay, that looks like it matched up. Flip it again horizontally. And just overlap a little bit. I think I might have to adjust this one. I don't like the way that drip looks. Okay. We're going to group this. And then I'm going to work on this one. Duplicate it. Flip horizontally. I'm going to get rid of that. Can't really tell. Oh, because of the drop. No, it's not going to work. So we'll have to do it this way. Okay. I'm going to group these two. And just extend it. Then I'll duplicate it just in case. And then, oh, oops. Duplicate this. And bring that up. I think I need to put that up higher a bit. Let's zoom in. Now, do I want to make this longer? I just need to. There. I almost kind of want to make these longer like that. Okay. Now I love that. Sounds like we need some gold dust. So let's look at that. Gold dust. Get all the graphics. Do I like this? I like the bursts of these. the stars, but I don't like the rest. We have this. Ooh, I love how this goes over the top. Okay, but I don't want it to. No, I love the gold. So let's put this to the back. To the back. And then we would do a little bit of maybe that one. Elbow gold. Is this supposed to be like okay. Hoping that's not too much. Okay. Now, do I like that or not? Okay, let's group all of this together. Okay, I love that. I think I'm going to scoot that down just a tad. Now, I need some words. Center. So, because we could go to ChatGPT and see if we could find so we can get some help on this. Okay, so let's ask ChatGPT to help us create a cute, I'm gonna do funny sayings. Okay. Let's see. Hi ChatGPT. Please help. Okay, wait. Let's tell what let's tell. I called my ChatGPT her because well, I'm a girl. So I am I am creating Valentine's Day designs for mugs, tumblers, and the like. Okay. Please help me create. I guess I could say I'm designing. Well, so please help me create script. I'm not sure which one. Please help me script out. I guess I could put please help me script out trending sayings for couples, parents, kids, friends, siblings. Okay. Please present in a pretty table. I would also like like funny, inspirational, and what else? Funny, inspirational, and loving phrases. Please, please, please suggest 10 of each type of mood for each group. Well, that was specific enough. Let's see. Okay, so she's doing for couples, funny, inspirational, loving. Okay, so she didn't understand me. Okay, so just do parents. Okay, so then I'm going to have her do the same thing, but for generic. That will fit with any group. Okay. How many groups did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I like that one. I love you. I love you as much as snacks. You know, I want you to remember what kind of design we have. So it's more like a desserty, food lovers. Oh, the snack one would go. So maybe I could refine and say, um, let's see, thank you. Okay, please, please suggest 10 more funny phrases that is geared, wait, that would complement my graphic design of I guess dessert desserts like shakes, ice cream, fruit bowl. Wasn't that it? Fruit bowl. Let's see. Yeah, fruit bowl with whipped cream. Whipped cream. Please have them apply to anyone that is expressing love. Thanks. Okay, let's see what she does. And then we'll go look at them to figure out which one we would like to do. Oh, 2 scoops of awesome. You melt my heart like ice cream on a sunny day. Oh. We're better together like cookies and ice cream. Okay, that wouldn't fit. Life is better with you. Okay. You're 2 scoops of awesome. You melt my heart like ice cream on a sunny day. I love this one. You're the cherry on my sundae. Well, not all of it's sundae. Well, not all of it's ice cream either. Let's see. Thanks. Okay. Please suggest more for more generic desserts that would work for any kind of dessert. Oops, thank you. Ooh, you're the sweetest part of my day. Life is sweeter with you in it. You're my sugar rush. We go together like dessert and more dessert. Icing on my cake. Can't sugarcoat it. I love you. You're the reason I save room for dessert. Aw. Love you more than all the dessert in the world. You're my favorite kind of indulgence. We're a match made in dessert heaven. Okay, these are cool. So, let's see. You're the life is sweeter with you in it. I think this would work with anybody. It will work with couples, parents, siblings, kids, friends. Okay, so I think I'll go with this one. Let's see. You're the sweetest part of my day. You're my sugar rush. I think I'll go with this one. So life is sweeter with you in it. Okay. I'm gonna copy that. Go over there. Put some text. Let's see if we can paste it. Now the trick, because I have such a busy-ish background, we are going to let's look at the font first. I don't want it too cursive-y. I mean, that could work. Let's space those letters out a bit. Okay. I'm going to increase the font. Let's just go over here first. I'm going to do the outline. No, maybe a red. Let's see. In the text, that wouldn't work. Ooh, no. That's kind of blah. Actually, let's switch this out. Let's do that one. And that would be that. Let's see. I'm going to get it dark. Not that dark. Okay. Well, maybe this needs to go lighter. That's the wrong shade. Okay, let's see. Maybe what I need to do is make this thicker. Okay, now how do I want to frame this? I mean, I could curve it. I could put it at the bottom. No, I kind of like it right here. Ooh. Okay, hold on. I could put somebody's name. So this could be customizable where you have somebody's name on the top. And this might have to go smaller. Kind of sad, but center it. Ah, center it. Okay. This, maybe the font is what's bugging. Mm-mm. Okay, let's see. Let's switch this up. Font text is going to be red, and this will be white. Would it be visible? What about brown? Eh, Nope. That's barely visible. And black's too dark. This takes a long time to do because you have to play around with it. Okay, let's do that. Let's go back to what we had it before. And oh, I can't make it bigger. I'm just kind of toning down the background a bit. Let's see, Christine. Ha ha ha. This is a self love gift. Okay, let's see. Smush that back together a bit. And the font has to change. Okay, let's see if we can change that to black. Let's see. Or should I switch it? Should this be the red and this the black? Hmm. Let's turn it the other way. Position. Get centered. It's almost like I want this text. Let's do this. Okay, so this to be at the bottom. Copy effects. And this one at the bottom too. You know what? I want the gold layer. Oh, I need the layers again. Okay. Is the text still off right there? 123. This one seems like it's. It doesn't seem like it's straight. But I have my computer screen kind of at an angle. Well, not an angle, but so that kind of messes me up. These two might have to go down. Excuse me. Okay, so let's see. Which one do I like better? There's another alternative. You can put that one right there. This one just scooch down a bit. Maybe it's the background that's messing it up. Or it could be the text. Maybe I just need to go for a simpler text. Hmm. Maybe I just need to do it this way. Pink or gold. And the text is red. Okay, let's go back over here. Make that black. Okay. Let me go let the dog out. Okay. I think I like this better. It's the font. And I like the name being at the top. So this would have to become smaller so that this can be centered. Let's see. Let's center that. Get that centered. Center that. So I'm going to select all of them. And then make it as big as I can. Center that. So you need to remember this size is slightly bigger than the 20 ounce. Okay. So I left enough room for it to be cut at the top and at the bottom, and then on the sides. Okay, so let's look at the ruler. So it's usually 9.25, 9.2-ish. So about that much will be cut off, so you can cut off with both sides to even it out. And that is about I believe it's about 8. I'll have to measure it again. But anyway, depending on how you're using it. Yeah, so I love this one better. Let's screw that up a bit. And make sure it's centered again. It's centered. Yeah, I really love this. Okay, so I think I like this. I like this one better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a copy of this, and then I'm going to create this as a template, and then I'm going to put it on the website for any of you that would like to use it. So let's file, make a copy. So this is for the Tumblr. Okay, we're getting rid of, let's see. We're getting rid of that one. We're keeping this one. So that's, oh shucks. Okay, there. Delete. Okay, and this is going to be Life is Sweeter with you in it. 20-ounce tumbler template. Okay. And then over here, I'm just going to put your text. Okay. And that's it. So I'm going to put right there. That way I remember which one it is. So, guys, thanks for coming with me and joining me as I did this. I'll go ahead and create these in a different video.